Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, CB.
Good morning, CB.
Are you with us today?
Always.
What time did you get in last night?
Pretty early.
What
9
time?
p.m.
9 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you mean 9 a.m.?
Right now, you mean?
No. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training these two guys, my apprentices, the trade. What's today's adventure, Chuck?
No heat.
No heat. We're on a no heat call here. So we're going to go in and see what we got. Hopefully it's something simple. Let's go figure it out, CB. This is an oxymoron. You alright? So you have it set for 72 and it's 70 in here.
Yeah. To auto.
Okay.
So this way, but see, it's all wired into.
Oh, right. So when that one thermostat comes on.
Yeah, it's.
Well, I can tell you one thing. It's nice and hot in here. So, but we'll make sure you're not airbound and all that good stuff.
This is the new one he bought from back there, but he said it has to be wired the right way.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Sounds good.
So you got two different zones, and he said by all rights there should be two thermostats.
That's right. So you have one thermostat?
Yeah, one thermostat downstairs in the dining room. That's all they have.
Okay.
So I think that's the real.
That's the real problem. So we're going to keep it the same. So we're going to make sure you have heat coming back from both loops. And
Yeah, he had it on auto. He had to. I think it was.
no worries. We'll
A month ago, maybe 2 months ago, he had to replace this first.
Okay.
And then, of course, I think he probably should have just replaced them both. But
Nah.
people look at it this way: don't replace it if it's not broken.
That's right. I'm the same way.
Okay, so
All right.
this went bad here,
Okay.
but it was pumped to the back. Okay,
I got you.
And we didn't know it, and it was leaking water.
Uh-oh.
So this is what started the whole problem. It was leaking here. It leaked all the way through and went through to the ceiling in the kitchen.
All right.
We were at work, and
Oh, that
the
stinks.
daughter called the mom and said, "Mom, there's water coming through the ceiling in the kitchen."
I will call that a no bueno moment.
So Jeff, directed it to the side. Here's a bucket.
Did he replace it?
Yeah, he replaced this
Okay.
right here.
Relief valve.
And yeah, but that was the whole reason why
All right.
the water.
We're here for no heat, so.
Okay, that's fine. This is new. He replaced this because
Then
for a
why-
while we couldn't get anything.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
Okay, so
Okay.
I'll let you guys do what you're doing.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
It sounds like to me everything's fixed.
Oh, I like that. Well, the wife would like that too.
Well, I'll tell you what. These returns are coming back super hot.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
All right, so they're heating, they're circulating good. New pump.
Okay.
This is the one that's on. This one's not.
That one's on auto, so it will operate.
Right.
Okay. Because for some reason, when you turn it back and you let it sit, it won't kick on and heat the upstairs.
Oh, what happens now?
It won't heat the upstairs.
Which
See,
one?
The back one, because it's on auto.
Right. It'll only go on because if you only have one thermostat,
Yeah.
that's why you're having a problem.
Yeah, that's right. That's
So,
exactly right. Yeah.
The downstairs has to get made. It usually gets hotter upstairs.
Yes. Yes.
Is that what happens?
Yeah. Well, it was usually just the downstairs and not up here.
Okay.
Okay. So, and that's why he pushed it over to auto, so this way it would just kick on. And
Well,
stay
that's
on.
why he did the right thing. So you're good now.
Yeah.
So why am I here?
Well, because it shouldn't be on auto. It should be on
We're not
manual.
But he has one thermostat, so he needs to change it up.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Well, you know what I mean. That's.
And that's up to him. I'm not gonna.
Yeah. Of course. Absolutely.
Especially on my short time frame today that we have. Now, why is this off? This should be on. I don't. I'm gonna tell you something. If this thing is full of water, this will cause the relief valve to pop.
Okay.
What I'm telling you this is, if this thing leaks again,
Okay.
he needs to call me because the expansion tank will be bad. And I don't want to play with this,
Okay.
but I know it's only a 15. This is to when the heat expands, it has a place that has a diaphragm where it takes the expansion of the heat and then pushes it back out.
Okay.
If it's full of water, then it will blow the relief valve. It does
Yeah.
its job. So, all right. I'm gonna call up the owner and see what they want to do, because here's my thing. I'm not going to take down your heat system just to put another thermostat in with some crazy wiring job here, you know. And there's only one thermostat.
Yeah, that's it. Dining room, the one you looked at.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's it. That's the
And here's your two feeds. Here's your feeds. These are really hot.
yeah.
Everything is heating really good.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call this a
Okay.
put it on standby, because right now your heat's cranking, it's cold out, and if I come in here, we're gonna put a new control in, a
Okay.
new wire, fish wire. So this is a big job to stop the heat. He should do this in the off season. That's what I'm gonna tell him.
Okay.
And I know George. I know Big George.
Okay.
I don't know the son.
Okay. Oh, so
All right.
there's two of them. I thought they were brothers.
What's George? Come over here.
Well, we have George, the one we pay the rent to, and then we have George,
It's an older
the
guy?
owner guy, the one that
George
owns
is
it.
the younger guy. Not older, but like 50 maybe.
Okay. Well, we're all hovering around the same age.
Yeah. There's George, super senior.
Okay. Is he the one that owns
He's-
this place?
He's like 70, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
there's probably his son or probably a younger brother.
Yeah,
whatever,
yeah.
however.
All right.
Okay.
So we're good now. We're gonna put this on hold. All right.
Trying to fix my heat.
Oh, you got plenty of heat here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna look to so we're gonna put a thermostat here, Chucky. Run our wire through the wall. I got to talk to the owner. So that was kind of a goose chase. They have heat. It's not working correctly. Oh, could this be George? No. Ooh. Who's this? Oh. Michigan. Should I answer it? Negative. So I just spoke to the owner. At a later date, we're going to go ahead and add a 2-zone control with the Takeo, run a thermostat wire exposed, which is going to look horrible, and put a thermostat in that hallway in a common area. But CB2 just asked me a good question. What was your question?
Why don't you just put the thermostat by the heater?
Why did we put the thermostat by the heater? Good question, Mr. Apprentice. Because the thermostat's got to be in a common area. If you put the thermostat in the heater room, the room's very hot, so it would never keep the heater an honest reading on the rest of the second floor. So it would shut the heater off prematurely and possibly keep them rooms cold. So you kind of want the thermostat in a common area that would work correctly. So I just told Yona, I said, we're going to run the wire exposed, and he didn't care. So I can't do it today, but we're going to go ahead and take care of that. I don't know why they waited till now, but work is work, and we always make the customer happy. Right, CB? Do we have a satisfied customer today? No, why?
We didn't do what they wanted.
I'm happy because they have heat. So, all right. We'll see on the next one. We're going to get the shots when we do that job, which I'm not even sure when we're going to do it. Right now, now what? You're a ball of fire. We'll see you at the next one.